Aircraft Interiors Expo is the most important show for Airbus. We are building relationship, we are exchanging new ideas, or we just meet friends.
So you're using the show to showcase new products?
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
Okay.
And for us, it's the most important show, for sure. In my opinion, it's not just getting bigger, it's also getting more and more professional. This gives us the opportunity to meet all our customers and also to meet a lot of our suppliers.
And being here, being amongst our peers who are providing all the other elements of the passenger experience has been very valuable to us. It's a broader set of customers than normal. It tends to be a little bit more senior than it is at some other shows.
Every major airline and most smaller airlines show up at this show. So it's a good place for us to meet a real broad spectrum of the people in our customer base that will really make the decisions for our future buys.
I come here because I can meet all my suppliers in one location, so I actually save my company money by coming here.
Everybody comes to us. It's the best place to be to see everybody and be able to showcase everything.
It's really to showcase new innovations of what McCarthy Aviation are doing. We've had some great exposure at the show, and we've had some good potential leads come along as well.
You get all your customers right here at one time, is that
From
right?
all the regions, exactly, for retrofit and line fit business. And also to collect feedback from our customers, to get feedback, and also to make sure that the new products are really in line with the customer expectations.
We're showing seat designs, IFE installations which don't take any real estate away from the passenger, and they create a home theatre HD experience even in economy class.
This is the only sales pitch we have. This is where we show our product. So this show is very important for us.
This venue is a world-class venue for our industry, and we wouldn't miss it.